Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's video is all about our second day in Georgia. It's been almost a month that I've uploaded my first video of Georgian vlog. I just got busy with some personal stuff, so that's the reason I couldn't upload the second video soon. So here it is for you all. So after the breakfast at the hotel, we moved to Kutaisi. Kutaisi is one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world and the third most populous city in Georgia. Situated 221 kilometers west of Tbilisi on the Rioni River, it is the capital of the western region of Imereti. Kutaisi has traditionally been an important industrial center in Georgia, but after the collapse of the Soviet Union, most of the old manufacturing lanes either stopped working or had to greatly reduce their operations. Kutaisoba is the most important holiday in Kutaisi. It is celebrated on the 2nd of May. On this day, the population of the Kutaisi crowds into the Central Park with their children and celebrate together. So the main two attractions at Kutaisi is Martvili Canyon and Okatse Canyon. Martvili Canyon is a picturesque landmark of water and rocks located 50 km west of Kutaisi. The canyon was formed by the waters of the Abasha, that is Abashi River. It is 2.4 km long and the height of the canyon walls reaches 40 meters in some places. This natural landmark attracts many tourists who want to experience the contrast between the tranquil river and the dynamic waterfalls. At the beginning, Martvili Canyon is a very quiet, deep gorge with high humidity where the rocks are covered with moss and the flow of the river is so slow that it seems as if time has stopped. The main highlight of the Martvili Canyon is boating to the waterfalls. Boating at the canyon is a pleasant and an easy trip. The length of the route the boats take along the river is about 1 kilometer and the trip takes about 30 minutes. In the middle of the canyon suddenly appears a large 12-meter waterfall from which tons of water fall every second. After a tranquil journey through the picturesque canyon, you will be excited to see a group of beautiful waterfalls and hear the dramatic sound they make. Around the waterfalls are several walkways, bridges, and observation platforms that allow you to take excellent photographs. From Martville Canyon, we then traveled to Okatse Canyon. And surprisingly, we met this amazing family here from Dubai who is also a YouTuber. Their channel's name is Life and Travel by Rakesh. He is Mr. Rakesh, his wife Mrs. Yamuna, and their cute little Punnu. A detailed video is already uploaded on their channel. So to reach this Okatse Canyon, we'll have to take a off-road ride from half of the way. Okatse Canyon is a natural monument in Georgia, located in the village of Gordi of Koni municipality in the vicinity of the river Okatse. The canyon has a 780-meter length hanging trail that is 3 to 6 meter wide and 20 to 100 meter deep. The highlight of the canyon is a narrow suspension bridge or walkway about 1 kilometer long, which ends at a viewing platform that offers a breathtaking view of the surrounding nature. It is also possible to get from the visitor center to the canyon checkpoint by car or bicycle. Visitors Center offers cafe, souvenirs shop, lockers and parking lot. Okatsa Canyon with Kinchka Waterfall Natural Monument being main attraction, there are also Dadiani Forest Park and ruins of Dadiani Castle. So that's all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching my video.